Hello students, I Rashmi Singh welcome you all in another lecture of class 8 social science, and today we are going to study minerals and power resources. Okay, this is another chapter of geography. Minerals and power resources. First, we have divided this lecture into three parts. In the first lecture, we are going to study about the minerals, and in the next two lectures, we are going to study about the power resources. So, I will start this story with a small story, this chapter with a small story, and this story is about Kirti and Sukant. Kirti is a girl who has gone to Dhanbad to visit Shrikant, and when she arrives there, she notices the area is very dusty and there are trucks which are carrying black rocks. Okay, so she is very surprised and she asks Shrikant about it. कि ये है क्या, ये जो ब्लैक मटेरियल दिख रहा है हमें ट्रक पे, ये है क्या. तो श्रीकांत जो है वो उनको समझाते हैं कि एक्चुअली धनबाद जो है इट इज़ अ प्लेस इन झारखंड एंड इट इज़ वेरी रिच इन कोल रिसोर्सेज. Okay, so coal is one kind of mineral. Now again Shrikant explains her that you eat cake, right? And in cake we add so many things. We add flour, we add cream, we add milk, we add some fats also. But when you eat it, do you see all these ingredients? No, we do not see all these things. Similarly, on the earth crust, we have many minerals which we cannot see with the naked eyes. But these minerals are very important for the economic development of the country. Okay, so this is the small story, and as you can see here that coal, which is a kind of rock, is basically a mineral. So in similar fashion, many rocks are present on earth crust and most of them are having some minerals. Okay, so I will write the definition first. So, minerals are naturally occurring substances with definite chemical composition, and some of the examples are iron, gold, coal, limestone, etc. So, whenever we write a definition of anything in geography, we should keep in mind that we have to mention some examples. Okay, so here also we have mentioned some examples. Now, we will move forward with the occurrences. Okay, where do they occur? So occurrences here basically means that where do we find these minerals? Minerals are widely distributed on the earth crust and you can find it everywhere. Okay, we can find it in the rocky surface, we can find it below the ocean, on the sea floor, on the ocean bed, and in the extreme hot areas also, in the deserts also we can find them. So as with the help of occurrences you can very well infer that minerals can be formed in any conditions, right? They are formed without any human interference. So my next point is formations. Minerals are formed without any human interference and under extreme conditions. We can see that there is not some particular temperature, pressure under which a mineral will form. They are formed in extreme conditions. Like here we can see that in Rajasthan, where temperature is very high, there also we find some minerals like mica. In Indian Ocean, in the ocean bed, in the sea floor also we find some minerals, some very economically valuable mineral like manganese. And at the same time in Antarctica, it is it is under research. This study is basically still ongoing, but it has been found that Antarctica has got huge resources of iron. And you can also search it somewhere that in Antarctica we have blood falls, and blood falls are basically waterfalls having water in red color, and that is due to the presence of iron there. Okay, so Antarctica also has got huge resources of iron. Here we can see that the atmospheric condition or the temperature, pressure are very different. Like in desert areas there will be a lot of heat, but on the contrary, in Antarctica there will be very cold climate, but still minerals are found there. Okay, now we will see how do we classify minerals. Okay, classification. So, minerals can be classified on the basis of their physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties means hardness of a particular material, its shine. Malleability means that with how much ease we can turn that particular matter, we can turn that particular metal, particular mineral into a sheet. Okay, and chemical property means on the basis of solubility. So we basically classify minerals into two categories. So here I have made a small flow chart, very easy flow chart and very important also. Minerals can be classified into two categories: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further classified into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Now we have to see what are metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Okay, so metallic minerals are those minerals which can conduct heat and electricity. Example, gold and iron. Metallic minerals can be further categorized into ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals, as the name suggests, like in chemistry you must have studied that, we symbolize iron as Fe. right? From that only we have derived this ferrous minerals. So those minerals which has got iron in them are called ferrous minerals. Example, manganese. Similarly, those minerals which do not contain iron are non-ferrous minerals like copper, bauxite. Bauxite is one of the ore from which we obtain aluminium. Okay. Next is non-metallic minerals.